Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for your history exam. Start by mapping topics into manageable chunks and prioritize what matters most. Target major themes, dates, and cause and effect relationships in each session. Use active recall with questions and short written summaries to cement facts. Rotate review topics so memory stays fresh and mix in visual timelines for context and retention. In this video, I will help how to study for your history exam. Start quizzing yourself on chapter headings and fill gaps immediately. Speak answers aloud and write brief summaries to deepen understanding. Space review sessions across days rather than cramming the night before. Combine timelines with cause and effect charts to connect ideas, and schedule short mixed reviews to boost long-term recall and confidence. In this video, I will help how to study for your history exam. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to carry dozens of primary sources and textbooks without the bulk, and its adjustable lighting helps night study sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to study for your history exam. Simulate exam conditions with timed practice tests and analyze every mistake you make. Create a concise correction sheet to review daily and focus more time on weak topics. Alternate practice styles, mixing short answer and essay prompts, and use spaced repetition to keep facts accessible. Finish each study day with a 5-minute recap to seal learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.